Question 1. Which of the following statements is correct about Article 129 of the Constitution of India? A. It provides for the Supreme Court to give advisory opinion to the President. B. It provides for the Supreme Court to be a court of original jurisdiction. C. It provides for the Supreme Court to be a court of record. D. It provides for the Supreme Court to be the highest court of appeal. Correct answer. C. It provides for the Supreme Court to be a court of record. Question 2. Which of the following is connected with daily atmospheric weather changes? A. Asthenosphere. B. Stratopause. C. Troposphere. D. Lithosphere. Correct answer. C. Troposphere. Question 3. In which of the following states is there hardly any differences in day and night temperatures? A. Rajasthan. B. Bihar. C. Kerala. D. Punjab. Correct answer. C. Kerala. Question 4. Articles 29 to 30 of the Constitution of India deals with A. Cultural and educational rights. B. Right to freedom. C. Right to equality. D. Right to freedom of religion. Correct answer. A. Cultural and educational rights. Question 5. The Nuakhai festival is observed on Panchami Tithi, 5th day, of the lunar fortnight of Bhadrava, August to September, the day after Ganesh Chaturthi. A. Odisha. B. Assam. C. Meghalaya. D. West Bengal. Correct answer. A. Odisha. Question 6. In which state is the famous Brihadeshwar temple situated? A. Kerala. B. Karnataka. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer. C. Tamil Nadu. Question 7. Which of the following is an example of capital receipt in the government budget? A. Sale of government bonds. B. Income from government-owned enterprises. C. Tax revenue collected from citizens. D. Grants received from foreign countries. Correct answer. A. Sale of government bonds. Question 8. Which of the following states won the Santosh Trophy in Riyadh in March 2023 after a gap of 54 years? A. Karnataka. B. Tamil Nadu. C. Maharashtra. D. Andhra Pradesh. Correct answer. A. Karnataka. Question 9. Which country is hosting the ICC 2023 ODI Cricket World Cup? A. Pakistan. B. South Africa. C. India. D. Australia. Correct answer. C. India. Question 10. Which of the Abhinays deals with the use of costumes, jewelry, facial makeup, etc.? A. Vachika Abhinay. B. Aharya Abhinay. C. Satvika Abhinay. D. Angika Abhinay. Correct answer. B. Aharya Abhinay. Question 11. The dancers Padma Subramaniam, Alamil Valli, Yamini Krishnamurthy and Anita Ratnam are great exponents of A. Mohiniyattam. B. Odissi. C. Bharatanatyam. D. Kathak. Correct answer. C. Bharatanatyam. Question 12. In April 2023, Tamil Nadu passed a bill banning which of the following? A. Gutka. B. Online gambling. C. Lottery. D. Liquor. Correct answer. B. Online gambling. Question 13. Indian classical vocalist Pandit Jasraj belonged to which of the following musical gharanas? A. Patiala Gharana. B. Dagri Gharana. C. Gwalior Gharana. D. Mewati Gharana. Correct answer. D. Mewati Gharana. Question 14. According to the Census of India 2011, which of the following states has the lowest literacy rate? A. Kerala. B. Tripura. C. Goa. D. Mizoram. Correct answer. B. Tripura. Question 15. As per the 18th Periodic Labour Force Survey, PLFS, the unemployment rate among females, aged 15 years and above, in urban areas declined to in January-March 2023, A. 9.7%, B. 9.2%, C. 7.8%, D. 8.2%. Correct answer. B. 9.2%. Question 16. Who among the following freedom fighter lawyers from Bengal is known as Deshbandhu? A. Chittaranjan Das, B. Durga Mohan Das, C. Bipin Chandrapal, D. Satish Ranjan Das. Correct answer, A. Chittaranjan Das. Question 17. In which stadium was the final match of ODI Cricket World Cup 2011 played? A. Eden Gardens, B. Wankhede Stadium, C. Feroz Shah Kotla Stadium, D. D.Y. Patil Stadium. Correct answer, B. Wankhede Stadium. Question 18. Which of the following best defines transfer payments? A. Payments made to individuals in exchange for their labor or services. C. Payments made by the government to individuals without any corresponding production of goods or services. B. Payments made by businesses to their shareholders as a share of profits. D. Payments made by individuals to the government in the form of taxes. Correct answer, C. Payments made by the government to individuals without any corresponding production of goods or services. Question 19. Mitra Mela was a revolutionary organization founded by A. Bhupendra Nath Bose, B. Khudiram Bose, C. Vinayak Savarkar, D. Sisir Kumar Bose. Correct answer, C. Vinayak Savarkar. Question 20. Which see the Gaussian unit of kinematic viscosity? A. Ampere, B. Joule, C. Stokes, D. Stokes. Correct answer, C. Stokes. Question 21. Which of the following is an autobiography of Sachin Tendulkar? A. Unbreakable, B. Playing It My Way, C. My Many Trysts with God, D. I Am No Messiah. Correct answer, B. Playing It My Way. Question 22. Who among the following is author of the book Red Earth and Pouring Rain, a novel? A. Vikram Chandra, B. Shashi Tharoor, C. Ashwin Sanghi, D. Ruskin Bond. Correct answer, A. Vikram Chandra. Question 23. Pandit Bhajan Sopori, who died in the year 2022, was a famous player of which musical instrument? A. Ravan Hatta, B. Tabla, C. Sitar, D. Santoor. Correct answer, D. Santoor. Question 24. For which dance did Vasundhara Doraswamy get Sangeet Natak Akademi Award, Akademi Puraskar, for the year 2019? A. Mohiniyattam, B. Kathakali, C. Bharatanatyam, D. Kathak. Correct answer, C. Bharatanatyam. Question 25. In which year did Robert Hooke introduce the term cell? A. 1875, B. 1675, C. 1665, D. 1765. Correct answer, C. 1665.